Hello, my friend. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Before we start today, let me ask you something very honestly. Do you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank? Do you know the words, but your tongue feels heavy? Do you feel fear? Fear of mistakes, fear of people laughing, fear of sounding not good enough? If yes, then relax. You are not weak, you are not slow, you are simply untrained in speaking fluency. And today's lesson is going to change that. This is day 10, and today I'm sharing a powerful system, a method that trains your ears, mouth, and brain together. Not grammar rules, not memorization, but real-life English fluency. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to practice English daily, how to speak longer without stopping, how to reduce fear, and how to sound more natural, step by step. So take a deep breath, sit comfortably, and let English flow into your life. Understanding fluency. Foundation. First, let's clear one confusion. Fluency does not mean perfect grammar, big vocabulary, native accent. Fluency means speaking smoothly, continuing your thoughts, communicating your idea clearly. A fluent speaker may make mistakes, but they don't stop speaking. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is movement. And movement comes with practice, the right kind of practice. Listen, repeat cycles. Deep training. This step is the heart of fluency. Choose simple, clear English audio. Not too fast, not too difficult. Listen carefully. Don't multitask, just listen. Now repeat, slowly. Repeat again, clearly. Repeat one more time, confidently. When you repeat like this, your brain learns sentence structure, pronunciation, natural rhythm. You are copying real English, not book English. If you don't understand every word, it's okay. Your brain understands patterns first, meanings later. This is how children learn language, and this is how you will too. Now let's move forward. Take a small sentence. I work in a hospital. Now expand it slowly. I work in a government hospital as a dispenser. Expand again. I work in a government hospital as a dispenser. One idea, many expressions. This practice teaches your brain to add details, extend thoughts, speak longer without fear. You are not translating. You are building English inside English. Do this daily with your job, your family, your routine, your dreams. This is how English becomes your language. Long speaking practice. Confidence builder. This step feels scary, but it's the most powerful. Choose one topic, any topic, your day, your childhood, your favorite place, your future goals. Set a timer for 1 minute. Start speaking. Don't stop. Don't correct. Don't judge. Even if your sentence is broken, keep going. Your brain must learn, I can continue even when I'm not perfect. Slowly increase. 1 minute to 2 minutes, 2 minutes to 5 minutes. This is how fear dies. Fear cannot survive practice. Daily fluency routine. Consistency, power. Fluency is not built in one day. It is built daily. Your simple routine. 5 minutes listening and repeating. 5 minutes sentence expansion. 5 to 10 minutes speaking. That's it. 15 to 20 minutes daily is enough. Small steps every day. Remember, a little English every day is better than a lot of English once a week. Practical motivation. let me tell you something important. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Every mistake means you tried, you spoke, you learned. Your accent is okay. Your grammar will improve. Your confidence will grow. But only if you speak today, not tomorrow. Stop waiting for confidence. Confidence comes after action. Speak first. Confidence will follow. My friend, English is not here to judge you. English is here to connect you to the world. Your voice matters. Your story matters. And your English is already inside you, waiting to come out. So today, make a promise. I will speak, even if I'm scared. If this lesson helped you, like this video, share it with someone who needs confidence, and subscribe to 24/7 Talk English. And remember our final line, English is not a subject. English is a skill, and skills grow with use. Keep speaking, keep believing. See you in the next lesson, right here on 24/7 Talk English.